Okay, we are now finally at the point where we can make the foundation. So just a caveat, this is the way I learned how to make foundations for wigs. Now, there are several different other ways to make foundations for wigs. There are actually pre-bought foundations you can buy, and then you can just tie the hair in. But this is the way that I learned. You may use the same way that I learned. You might find a different way. Up to you. So if you learned a different way and you want to jump into my comments and tell me I'm doing it wrong, I'm not. I used to do this professionally for quite some time. This is the way that I'm going. All right, let's get into it. Okay, I'm going to do my best in this 3-minute video that I have. So first off, this is the netting we're using. It's called veg net. We are going to follow the grain. We are going to make the holes go up and down as we are setting these pieces. So first we're going to do the back of the neck. We are going to take it across from the top of the ear with about a 1/2 inch seam allowance up all the way across to the other side of the ear, pinning it as well. We're going to pin it here. Oh, I'm going to pin it in the middle, making sure it's laying nicely, nice and even all the way across here. Do the same here and pinning this down. Oh, I have a strong feeling this is already going to be multiple videos, but we're going to do our best. So let's keep going. So now we got it to here. Now we're going to make some small darts that are going to cup the back of the foundation piece in. And we're going to sew the darts with some invisible thread. And I will show you how. So now I have the sides of these pinned down to where it has formed 2 darts in the back nape of the neck. So I'm going to fold the dart over, making the dart face the inside of the nape of the neck. I'm going to pin it down. We're going to do the same over here. Pin it down where it's naturally laying. All right, so now we're going to trim this out. We're going to leave a 1/2 inch seam allowance all the way along this line and then build the next piece. The next piece we are going to pin on is the strap, and it is the piece that goes from the top of the ear all the way across the top part of the head, all the way to the other part of the ear. It's just one big strap piece. Following that grain all the way across. Pin. And then we're going to make the line with our pins. Okay, here is the strap. It's about the width of the top of the ear, goes all the way over the front of the head. Wait till part 2, we'll pull the front and do the football in the back.